Hi, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Affirm to bank account. So, once you're on the Affirm dashboard, click on the Add Bank Account option at the top right. It will take you to the configuration page. Furthermore, you can also click on Invite a teammate and they will get a notification to provide banking details if you don't know those details. So, clicking on Add Bank Account option will give you a more detailed show of how much you'll be able to collect once you connect your bank account. This number is updated once daily and thus may differ from the actual settlement amount. Click on the Add Bank Account won't update the balance shown. Now, below is an example email that you'll receive if you have loans waiting and have yet to provide your bank details. It will look something like this. Just click on Link Bank Account. On the next page, simply add your bank account and routing number. So basically fill in the bank account information on this page and click on Add Bank Account. Now, you will get a confirmation message saying that your payout is on its way and you're done. So basically, once you connect your bank account to Affirm, you'll instantly get your funds into your bank account. So that's the simple way through which you can transfer money from Affirm to bank account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.